In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely clear the cache for the Dropbox desktop app and explain what you should know before doing it. Clearing your Dropbox cache can help free up space on your computer and potentially resolve some common syncing issues. But it's important to do it cautiously to avoid interfering with any ongoing processes. First thing, before we clear anything, make sure Dropbox is up and running smoothly. You want to ensure that all your files are fully synced. Checking this is crucial because any unsynchronized or half-transferred files could lead to data inconsistency if the cache is cleared mid-operation. Once you've confirmed everything is synced, it's a good idea to pause syncing. This precautionary step ensures that no files are in transit, potentially preventing any disruption while you're deleting cache files. Now, let's locate the cache folder. This folder is somewhat hidden within your local Dropbox folder, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. On a Windows system, open File Explorer. In the address bar, type in %home path, Dropbox, cache, and hit Enter. This will take you right to the cache folder. For Mac OS users using the traditional Dropbox folder, open Finder and press Command, Shift, and G together. This key combination opens a Go to Folder dialog box where you should enter Dropbox, cache. Lastly, for those on a Linux system, navigate to your home directory and from there open Dropbox cache. Each of these paths leads you directly to where Dropbox stores temporary cache files on different operating systems. Once you're in the cache folder, go ahead and select all the files and subfolders within it. You can either move them to the recycle bin or trash, or if you're sure, delete them permanently. Doing so will help free up space that these temporary files have been consuming. Keep in mind that deleting the cache won't remove your actual files stored in Dropbox. It only gets rid of temporary files that Dropbox doesn't actively need anymore. After you've cleared out the cache, the next step is to restart Dropbox. Closing and reopening the app allows it to refresh and rebuild any essential cache files it requires. This ensures that everything operates smoothly going forward. It's a simple yet effective measure to maintain the health and efficiency of your Dropbox synchronization. So with these steps, you've learned how to safely clear the cache for your Dropbox desktop app, helping to keep your system tidy and possibly resolving some minor syncing issues along the way. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.